What if light wasn't just seen, but sculpted? Prepare to see art in a whole new dimension as we dive into the mesmerizing world of metallic silver textures. You won't believe how these surfaces transform with every shift of light, creating an interplay of shadow and brilliance. Watch as a single hue can transform your canvas into stunning, elegant, and sophisticated textured abstract art. Welcome to the creation of Silver Cascade. So for the creation of Silver Cascade, we're creating texture with some flexible modeling paste and plastic wrap. Now, I've recently did a tutorial on this, but using modeling paste is completely different than just using acrylic inks or paint. Now, it doesn't matter how you apply this at the beginning, you're just spreading it out to create your pattern and then applying the plastic over the top to create the impressions and stunning, unique designs. I can't tell you how amazing these patterns are. And here I'm just pushing really hard. I used a lot of modeling paste, thick in some areas. Some areas I left empty. And I'm just moving my fingers around in a circle. And you can see here how it creates these beautiful striations. Now the reveal. Here, it's very important that you pull the plastic wrap slowly off the canvas, even if it is 100% dry. I was leaving this for 24 hours, but I was a little early, so it still needs to dry for a few more hours, but enough that the impressions are extremely prominent, and I'm not going to ruin anything by pulling off the plastic. So just be patient again with the process, and in just a moment, I'm going to show you how incredibly effective and amazing plastic wrap is. Look at these stunning impressions and those circular divots or holes or craters. They're beautiful. And you can see all those striations that I made with my hand and my fingers. Just like broken glass, very reflective, works so well with this painting, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm just going to start here, guys. I'm just laying a single color just to add a little bit of interest and depth to this painting, and then we're going to get going. Please watch the whole video, stay till the end, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the close-up. I just wanted to talk to you guys about this piece. I'm in love for one. The texture is incredible, which is another reason why I love the magic of plastic wrap. So here you can see the spots that I did not cover, and that just adds to the depth and the interest, and it adds an extra element of reflection on that flat surface. And I can't tell you how amazed and intrigued I am by the circular and different forms of those divots that are all over the canvas that I did not make with my hands. And then the flow and the movement of this piece is also very captivating to me, especially with the silver and how the light comes through, especially in different environments where light is coming in the window, or you have a lamp nearby, or it's a very sunny day. And then you can see as well, it takes on like a foliage look, almost like leaves in this painting in certain areas. And I absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I appreciate comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate you being here to watch Silver Cascade come to life. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next painting.